Hello everyone. Let's begin with a small question. Have you ever met someone and felt like, I've seen this behavior before? I know how this is going to go. And somehow you were right. Just notice that for a moment. Because what you experienced there was not magic, it was pattern recognition. Your brain is a pattern machine. Your brain is constantly learning. Every conversation, every reaction, every experience gets stored. Over time, your mind starts recognizing patterns like how people react when they are nervous, how tone changes when someone is hiding something, how certain situations usually unfold. And the more patterns you recognize, the faster your brain predicts outcomes. Where memory comes in. Now, here's the connection pattern recognition depends on memory. Your brain didn't store past experiences, it couldn't compare anything. Memory allows you to recall faces, recognize behaviors, connect present moments with past experiences. So when you feel like I have seen this before, your brain is pulling from memory instantly. Why this feels like knowing? Now let's connect this to your experience. When your brain recognizes a pattern quickly, you don't feel the process. You just feel the result. A sudden knowing, a prediction, an impression. And that's why it can feel like I just knew what they were thinking. But what's really happening is your brain matched current signals with stored patterns in a split second. Next is training your memory. Let's make this practical. Here's a simple exercise. Look around your room for 10 seconds. Now close your eyes. Try to recall 5 objects you saw, their positions, their colors. Don't worry if you miss some. The goal is to train recall, not perfection. Training pattern recognition. Now let's take it further. When you interact with people, start noticing patterns like how they speak when relaxed versus stressed, their common phrases, their body language shifts. You don't need to analyze deeply, just observe. Over time, your brain will automatically start connecting the dots. Try this daily. Recall one conversation you had. Ask yourself, what was their tone? What emotions did I notice? Did anything repeat from past experiences? This builds both memory, awareness of patterns, connection to your journey. As your memory improves and your pattern recognition becomes sharper, you will notice something powerful. Start predicting reactions, emotions, responses more accurately. And again, this can feel like telepathy. But now you understand the foundation behind it. Take a moment. Think of someone you know well. Can you predict how they'll respond in a certain situation? Just notice how naturally that comes. That's your brain working with patterns. You don't need to memorize everything. You don't need to force patterns. You just need to observe, recall, stay aware. Because your brain is already doing the work. We are simply making it stronger and clearer. In the next lesson, we'll explore something deeply connected to this emotional awareness and sensitivity, and how it enhances your ability to understand others. I'll see you there.